Hey guys, it's Katie and I am back with Lindsey and Natalie, and I'm so pumped. For week 3, we have Lindsey leading us through an amazing Pilates base workout.
Yes, we're gonna hit that core nice and hard today. We're gonna hit the upper abs, lower abs, and the obliques. We're gonna get it all.
Ooh, it's gonna be good. So if you are ready, sweat the thumbs up, give it a little click, and let's get started down on the mat.
All right, guys, so we are gonna start laying down on our back. So roll all the way down. We're gonna start to fire up these low abs. So bring your knees to tabletop, pull your belly button down to your spine, press your low back into the mat, and then we're just gonna bring our heels down to the floor and bring them back up to tabletop. So really focus on keeping that belly button sucked in and your low back pressed into the mat the entire time, just starting to fire up these low abs.
I feel that already.
Already. If you feel like your hip flexors are taking over, make sure you're keeping your feet really flexed. Pointing your toes is gonna turn your hip flexors on. We don't want those to take over. All right, we've got another 6 reps. 6, 5, 4, 3, give me 2, last one. All right, keep those knees in tabletop. Open those knees up about hip distance apart. We're gonna go for some oblique crunches. So arms above your head, crunch up, frame that left knee, lay all the way down, crunch up, frame that right knee.
I like that.
Big exhale to get yourself up. Starting to get into these obliques. Get those shoulder blades as high up off of that mat as you can. Really hold for a second at the top, squeeze those abs. Slowly lower down, nice work. How you guys feeling? Still pulling that low belly down into your spine the entire time. Energy through those arms and those fingertips. Everything is engaged here. 6 more. 6, 5, 4, 3. You've got 2. Last one. Nice work. All right, you're gonna bring those legs up into a V. Place your right hand on top of your left hand. You're gonna crunch it straight forward. So I want you to think about reaching those fingertips straight forward instead of crunching up here. So really isolating these upper abs and try and keep your shoulder blades up the entire time. So it's a small little crunch forward. If you need to modify, you can just bend your knees and keep crunching straight forward. Otherwise, keep those legs straight up. Woo, same. Pulling that belly button down every single time. Nice work, guys. We've got a little cardio burst coming after this. We're gonna get that heart rate up. Keep crunching. Nice work. Oh yeah, it's burning. All right, last 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work. Hug those knees in real quick. We're gonna rock ourselves up. You're gonna meet me in a plank position on those hands and toes. You're gonna give me a plank jack and then hop those feet forward, hop them back out. Let's get this heart rate up. Go as slow as you need to. Try and keep your hips nice and low the entire time. Always pulling that belly button to your spine. Core is tight. Always active and engaged. 5 more. 4 more. Last 3. 2. All right, guys, last one. Hop it in. Nice work. We're gonna roll back onto our back. Nice work, guys.
My back sounds real nice. Right after that.
All right, so those legs are gonna come all the way up to 90. Flex those feet. Grab those hands straight up above your head. Release your pointer fingers. As your left foot drops down, you're gonna crunch to the right and switch. Right foot drops, crunch to the left. Just alternating, keeping those feet nice and flexed. So one foot is always up. Make sure you're breathing. Do not hold that breath.
Do you have any suggestions if someone has like neck pain?
Yeah, you can put your neck down. So that's gonna just really get into those low abs. Keeping your shoulder blades up is gonna engage those upper abs as well. Nice work, guys. All right, last 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Those legs are gonna stay up on 1. Nice work, set your head down. All right, legs stay up, keep those feet flexed. We're gonna climb this rope. Reach, reach, reach. Now, if you want more center abs, you can just reach straight up towards those toes. If you want more obliques, you can cross and reach for the outside edges of those feet. Same thing here. Take breaks whenever you need to, and you can rest that head down. Try and keep those shoulder blades up though. Pulling that belly button down. Use your breath. Exhale, reach. How are we feeling? How's that core feeling?
We're like silent.
I just gotta breathe.
Keep climbing, keep climbing. Nice work. Really, really trying to isolate through these upper abs and these obliques. Last 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head comes down, legs stay up. Bring those arms down by your side. We're gonna scissor these feet as our legs come down and up. So same thing here, point the toes is gonna turn your hip flexors on. If your hip flexors are bothering you, flex your feet. I personally have tight hip flexors, so I like to keep my feet flexed. But hey, if you're a dancer or someone who's got those long, lean hip flexors, you can keep those toes pointed.
I'll stay in the flex zone with you guys.
Yes, it's a safe zone. Remember, your range of motion is going to be different for everyone here too. So stop as soon as you feel that low back start to arch and start to bring those feet back up. All right, we've got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more. We got this.
Yes.
Last one, all the way down, all the way up. Hug those knees in.
Yes.
Nice work. We're gonna flip it over into that plank one last time. Spike our heart rate one more time, all right?
All right.
Same thing. Hop those feet out, hop it in. Plank jack, hop it in. Keeping that heart rate up to keep us in that fat burning zone.
I love adding the turn. It's such a good core work.
Yes. Still getting those low abs every time you hop those feet forward. And those obliques when you hop those feet out. All right, guys, last 6. 5, hang in there. 4, yes you can. 3, we're so close. 2, this is it. Last 1. Take a seat. Woo. Nice work, ladies.
Oh my gosh, that was
High
amazing.
five. High five.
Killing me.
Girlfriend, my abs.
Yes.
Serious.
Like short and sweet, and they are like sore already, and I feel like my posture's
Already
fuller, I
feeling
feel a little
poppin', I
tighter.
think.
Yes,
Yeah.
you guys, you got to adore that core. Come on.
I'm gonna pick
so
that
cute.
catchphrase up.
Yeah.
Yes.
I love it. Okay, so if you guys love the workout, which I know you did, make sure you go check out Lindsey's page. She has tons of workout, and the best thing is she's just like so positive and focused on like body confidence and positivity. I
Yes.
love, obviously, you as my friend, but I love following your page too.
Thank
so
you.
I'll put the link down below. You guys can follow her there. And if you haven't already downloaded the app, you guys, it's free. You can download it
Must
for free.
download.
Do the challenge, and you get a 7-day free trial, so you get access
Hello.
to full-length workout videos and like a whole fitness program, which is amazing, right? You
Yes.
I love
so
it.
much fun. Okay, so check that out. I'll put it below. And if you haven't signed up for the free Spring Slim Down Challenge, it is not too late to join. So that is below for you too. Don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So we'll see you guys next week. Bye.
The way you make me feel